So by default, Corel Draw right here has a certain appearance size right here and then brightness level of the application as well. If you want to go ahead appearance and brightness, then what you can simply do is go around onto the tools menu and then go around over here onto the options right here, just like this, and then customization option right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you see the appearance right now is set to 100%. But if I were to go ahead and increase out the size right here, just like this, you can see that this is what you have right here. If I were to go around and increase and decrease out the size, you can see that the size of the interface actually increases and decreases based on percentage value that you add in right here. So 100%, and I go ahead and then type in, and then this is what you have, you can see. So apart from that, you can also go ahead and change around the brightness level of the application. So for example, over here you can see that you can go for light, medium right here, or dark, or even black, as you can see right here, if you prefer more of a black view. So you can go ahead and choose this as you like, and then you can even see that you can change around the window border color right here and customize that out according to how you want. Even go ahead and change around the desktop color right here, just like this, and you can see the background color right here, just like that, applying right there, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and change around the appearance size and brightness inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.